Welcome to the University of Belize Central Farm Campus, shaping the future of sustainable farming through our climate-smart agriculture program.
I believe agriculture is one of the most fundamental aspects the universe requires, the world requires.
Well, agriculture is life.
My name is Francisco Zol. I am the crops lecturer at the Central Farm. The opportunity to the students actually do the practicals, hands-on training.
The best thing is practicals, seeing how they grew the vegetables and then deal with livestock.
I prefer working outside in the field than sitting inside an office and working. It's more like interactive. People come, apply, and try the agriculture program and get the hands-on experience.
Come and study here at UB Central Farm.
So we need farmers, and I encourage young farmers and young people to join agriculture. And I believe when a passion and career comes together, it forms something beautiful.